Hey everybody, this is Igor Lumertz here at PCH Dent Repair. I want to show you on this quick video me repairing a hood. It's a brand new 2020 Cadillac XT5 and we had some sharp dents on the hood. One got a little scratched and this is the one I'm gonna show you today, and I'm gonna show you how I saved it using the hot box. It's pretty cool. Let's check it out. This is the hood right here. You can see there's a lot of little sharp dents. Those two right there were the bigger ones. One of them got a little scratched, and that's the one I'm gonna show you on this video. Right here, that's the hood stand I'm sitting on. That's the mini light for close-up and the big light far away to see the details. I use the little light for close-up when the dent is sharp and deep, so I can see the bottom of it and I can push on the right place. That's the reflection from the big light. You can see using the mini light right here to push it up. That's the double band from Dentcraft that I used for the whole process. I had a open space right there. I used that tool only. Pushing back up. You can see when I tap down, it goes low. You can tell the metal is soft. I push back up. That doesn't happen on every dent, but sometimes it does when it's scratched, especially on hail damage. Like that one I pressed and it stayed low. You can tell it's soft. And that's when I decided that I have to use my hot box, trying to shrink it so I can work on it more. That's my hot box set up at 60%. And you can see when I use it, it pulls a lot of metal. That's me pulling the sides of the dent up, the center, and I use ice for shrinking. I did that on that special dent 5 times, heat and cold, and I got it to shrink really good. You can tell when I tap down, it's gonna stay up. It's stiff right now. That's me tapping it down. It's staying up right now, so I can clean up, finish with the sharp tip. I give a couple more pushes right there, clean it up, make sure it looks really clean and nice. And that's perfect right there, brand new. I push down, it stays up, so I got it to work. We don't have to use the hot box on every dent, but sometimes it's really helpful on stretched dents. That's the finished product right there. You can see it's really clean, nice, all paintless dent removal, no painting involved. I did that hood on about 5 hours. And that's my tools right there. I keep them really clean, organized. I love my tools. And that's the finished hood right there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more cool PDR videos. Thank you.